What if a robot isn't just a gadget, but a true helper in your home, cooking the kitchen, carrying heavy groceries, even reminding you to take your meds, and costs less than your family sedan? Tesla Optimus Gen 2 boldly claims it can. No remote controls, no babysitting, just pure self-sufficient AI. Just happened, Musk envisions 10 billion robots by 2040, each priced at a jaw-dropping $20,000 to $25,000. If that's not ambitious enough, Gen 3 is set to double capabilities, adapting seamlessly to human environments. Let's explore if Optimus is the revolutionary companion we've been waiting for. But before we dive in, please help us reach 20 subscribers. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you exciting episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest technology breaking news. We truly appreciate your support. So Elon's been touting the Gen 2 model as a technological marvel. Unlike the competition like Neo from the Norwegian company 1X, which still relies on remote control for certain tasks, Optimus Gen 2 claims full autonomy. Yeah, you heard that right. No joysticks, no remote pilots, just a robot powered by artificial intelligence. If true, this is a monumental leap forward. Tesla's betting big on its AI to navigate complex, chaotic environments independently. A bold claim that raises eyebrows. Can Optimus handle unpredictability without needing a guiding hand? Musk says yes, and Tesla's history with self-driving cars lends weight to the idea. What makes Optimus even more intriguing is the next step, Gen 3. Musk has described it not as a mere upgrade, but as a revolutionary leap. A shift as profound as moving from a flip phone to an iPhone. Gen 3 is expected to tackle twice as many tasks, adapt to a broader range of environments, and interact with humans in more natural ways. Imagine a robot that doesn't just move mechanically, but operates fluidly and seamlessly integrates into human settings. Gen 3, in theory, is designed to get things done quietly and effectively without drawing attention to itself. One sticking point is mobility. If you've seen Boston Dynamics' robots perform impressive stunts like jumping and dancing, you might wonder why Optimus isn't doing the same thing. The truth? Advanced movement like jumping requires remarkable precision and stability, which are engineering hurdles for even the best robots. Tesla seems to have chosen pragmatism over pizzazz, focusing on practical applications instead of flashy demos. This might actually be a smart strategy, since Optimus is being built to work, not entertain. Elon's vision of deploying 10 billion humanoid robots by 2040 priced at an accessible $20,000 to $25,000 per unit might sound like something out of sci-fi. Scaling production to such extraordinary levels is undoubtedly a challenge, but Tesla's track record suggests they could innovate solutions to make at least 1 million units annually without compromising on quality. While decades might be needed to achieve Elon's lofty target, the potential is undeniable. As society increasingly embraces automation, the demand for robots like Optimus, whether for homes or workplaces, could grow exponentially, redefining how we live and how we work. The immense potential of Optimus is pretty hard to ignore. If Tesla delivers even a fraction of its ambitious promises, this humanoid robot could revolutionize industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond. Imagine a future where robots handle repetitive, tedious, even hazardous tasks, empowering us humans to focus more on creativity and meaningful pursuits. It's a transformation that feels within reach. Once again, please help us get to 20 subscribers. That's important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. What are the key capabilities and potential impacts of the Tesla Optimus Gen 3? Okay, so Gen 3 is not just some clunky machine waddling around. No, this bad boy is built to handle delicate tasks with precision. Whether it's gently picking up a fragile glass, unscrewing the lid off a pickle jar, even putting together tiny gadgets, this robot knows its stuff. It moves with an impressive human-like finesse, making it a game changer for handling complex tasks automatically. A breakthrough compared to Gen 2 is that Optimus Gen 3 boasts an extra joint in its hands. Think of it like bonus knuckles. Now, why does this matter? Ever tried holding a screwdriver or drill without bending your fingers just right? These extra joints make all the difference for gripping small tools. This feature isn't just nice to have, it's a must-have for serious multitasking. To understand this better, we've got the proof for you to see right here. Were you one of those folks who rushed to snag the newly released Tesla Optimus model? Yeah, the one that sold out faster than your favorite Black Friday PlayStation deals? Don't worry, you're in good company. All right, let's talk about its grip. We're not kidding. This model doesn't just hold stuff, it owns it. Whether it's a heavy hammer or some tiny object that you'd usually lose in the couch, Optimus handles it like a pro. No awkward fumbling, no flimsy fingers, it's all firm and precise. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, this is a model. How much detail can they actually get right? Tesla did not just design this thing to look cool on a shelf. They went all in. Every detail, down to how it cradles the objects in its hand, is spot on. It's not just for show, it's a masterclass in engineering precision. Even as a model, it doesn't cut corners. Still scratching your head, wondering why people are losing their brains over a model robot? You're holding it in your hand, and you can't help but marvel at how real it feels, like you're holding a tiny preview in the future. It's not just a toy, it's a piece of the Tesla dream you can actually touch. It's not just something you own, it's a glimpse of where we're heading. If you didn't get your hands on one this time, don't worry. Just remember, next time they drop, you'd better be faster than a Tesla in ludicrous mode. We need to know that its arms and hands come with more degrees of freedom than ever before, making it capable of a broader range of movements. Because 22 degrees of freedom, that's not just Elon Musk enough. When Elon says Optimus will replicate the human hand with precision, if you think 22 degrees of freedom in the robot hand sounds impressive, think again, because Elon isn't parking the car there. He's got the pedal to the metal, and this ride is far from over. Elon's not the type to call it a day because it's good enough. If there's room for improvement, he's going to chase it like it's the last slice of pizza. So, what does that mean for Optimus Gen 3? It means we're in for more surprises. This isn't a guy who settles for robotic. Elon wants humans. He's already dreaming up ways for this thing to tie a shoelace, shuffle a deck of cards, maybe even give you a high five that doesn't feel awkward. This increased range of motion isn't just cool for now, it's forward thinking. Picture this, someday we might combine this with something like Neuralink, turning Optimus into a robotic extension of the human body. Prosthetic arm, anyone? If this idea sparked your curiosity, we'd absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Just hit us with a yes in the comments under the video. Seriously, your input really matters to us, whether you're a tech wizard, just a curious bystander, or someone who wants to see what all the fuss is about. So go ahead, give your keyboard a little workout and let us know what you're thinking. In addition, Optimus takes the clever route by using contact points instead of traditional continuous wiring. It's more adaptable and modular. Need a special hand for gripping super hot items, say like a pan straight out of the oven? No problem. Swap out its hand for a heat-proof attachment. Genius, right? Optimus pretty much does anything. Pouring you a glass of wine, walking your dog, vacuuming the floor. This is your jack-of-all-trades assistant. Think of the time you might save. Who wouldn't want one of these running the show in their house or business? Nobody wants an awkward robot, right? Optimus Gen 3 stepped up its game in the comms department, making it easier to talk to and even more fun to be around. Its voice interaction features are friendlier, more natural, and dare we say, charming. It's designed to bridge the gap between humans and robots, making you feel like you're interacting with a helpful buddy instead of a machine. We often meet a common question like, how does it handle unexpected situations? Sure, it needs to be taught or programmed for specific tasks, but teaching Optimus is a breeze compared to, say, training the dog. Let's be real, training pets can be chaos. All Optimus needs is just a simple training video, and voila, it learns and replicates the task with jaw-dropping accuracy. If it messes up, no big deal. Fixing its brain is much easier than untangling years of bad habits in a pet. One of the coolest things about Optimus is its modular design, making it scalable for mass production. It could actually become affordable and accessible for the average household. Imagine a future where robots aren't just for tech billionaires or sci-fi movies, but for everyday folks like you and me. Optimus is paving the way for that reality. So, next time you're struggling to find a screwdriver or just juggling too many chores, just imagine an Optimus behind your side. And that's all our content for today. As many of you know, our original channel, Tesla Car World, was temporarily paused for reasons we're still trying to figure out. But don't worry, we, the creators of the old Tesla Car World channel, are continuing our journey and bringing you fresh, exciting, and more in-depth content with the latest updates on hot tech topics right here on this new channel. We really hope you'll continue to follow and support us. Please like, subscribe, and join us to catch all of the exciting Tesla EV content coming your way. Thanks.